What is up, guys? I was literally just recording for like 10 minutes straight before I realized that I actually wasn't recording because my computer was out of storage. So that's awesome. To recap, basically, I'm finally back. Can you believe it? After 2 years, I'm back with the milk baby. Let's get it. Tears of the Kingdom is out. We all know that by now. We're all hyped, and yeah. I just wanted to make a return video and play some Tears of the Kingdom. Pretty awesome. Basically, I tried making a video on this game literally on the release day, the minute it released at 12. But my microphone wasn't working, so I just had to scrap that. And then I got caught up with finals and stuff and just didn't have time to really play the game at all. So I just thought I'd wait until summer, which is now, to make my next video on the game. And yeah, it's summer, which is absolutely awesome, so you can expect some more videos soon. Anyways, yeah, as you can tell, I already have some progress on the game, which is what I got on my first few days playing the game. But it's nothing major, and I also kind of want to get back into the Zelda rhythm, remember all the controls and stuff, because I literally hadn't played basically since I made my last video. So yeah, I just wanted to get used to the game and stuff again, you feel me? So yeah, basically just gonna be doing a playthrough of the game and see what I encounter and have some fun. So yeah, I hope you guys like it. Right now I'm just trying to reach that tower up there because I'm trying to increase my map size. I only have 2 towers, so yeah, I'm lacking in that department for sure. Also, I've gotten a decent amount of shrines. That's the main thing I've been doing, as well as just doing the main quest lines that I was given at the very start of the game, the hieroglyphs and Find Zelda and stuff. Oh my gosh, my least favorite enemy. We meet again. I swear, I'm gonna use my most powerful weapon on this Wizrobe. I literally just do not want to deal with this thing. I hate Wizrobes. Alright, where are you at? Nah, bro, where are you going? Alright, let's go. Where are you going? There we go. Die. Wait, where did he go? Oh, I thought he was dead. Oh yeah, come back up here to me so I can get your loot. Come on. Did bro just give up? Did bro seriously just give up? Bro, get up here. There's no way. This thing is pathetic. I'm not even gonna lie. Okay, there we go. Well, I gotta get that elemental weapon. I gotta get that. No. Are you kidding me? Come on. There we go. Let's go. Topaz rod, nice. Okay. Also, yeah, you can carry Koroks now. And there's these new Korok quests where they request you to take them to their friends. I've only done one of them because they're annoying. Straight up. I think I'm gonna do this one. This one doesn't seem that hard. Wait, can I attack other mobs with holding a Korok? That would be hilarious. I have no idea. Wait, can I even put this guy up here? Nah, sorry. Oh! Well, he's somewhere. Good luck finding your friend. Just gotta regain my stamina real quick. Oh. Yeah, it's probably enough. As I was saying, I'm trying to get to that tower that's up there, but I got a bit distracted by that Wizrobe weapon, so that's my bad. That's my bad. Oh yeah, and I forgot to mention that, like, unlike my old video. Oh heck nah. Heck nah. You're kidding me. I was literally up. Oh my gosh, I swear if I have to fight that Wizrobe again. Oh my gosh, please. Oh. Wait. I have to fight it again, don't I? Oh my gosh. Why? This time I'm gonna get it, like... Oh. Okay, dang, that was a bit rude. That's my bad. I didn't even give him a chance. Well, no. I don't want to do this again. Wait, where did the weapon go? Oh, okay. It didn't roll down as far this time. Okay, let's go. That was a lot better of an outcome this time. I'm kind of glad I died. And this time I'm going to regain my stamina fully and then go up. I have enough stamina, right? Wait, okay, we're not gonna die this time. No distractions this time. I just want to get to that tower. Whoa. Hey, wait. Doesn't something happen if I shoot those things? I forgot. Wait, where'd he go? Never mind. Oh, this is gonna be an annoying climb. Okay, maybe not that bad if I can regain my stamina on all of these, like, things. I just gotta be careful about how I go about this. Okay, I think I'm gonna be fine. Yeah, there we go. Oh, yeah. Also, this stuff exists now. It's like malice, but it's just like sludge. It doesn't even damage you. Oh, gotta break these real quick. I'll break them with this. Oh, let's go. I was lacking arrows. I was lacking those. I'm just not gonna use any stamina here, so like I don't like end up accidentally dying like that last time. Also, those falling rocks that fall from the sky, they're super cool because you can use the reverse ability on them and then you can go up like super high. I love those falling rock things. Those are also like the easiest way to kill like those like dragons. Let's go. We're basic. No way. Okay, okay, yeah. I'm saving my progress. Oh my goodness. And I'm using my strongest, but I'm using. You know what? No, I'm just gonna stick with the fire. Oh, dang it, I missed. Oh my gosh. Now he's aware of me. Oh, that was stupid. Wait. Oh, heck nah. Dude, it's not letting me, like, do the thing. Dude, it's not letting me merge it, like, with the... Dude. It's not letting me do the... Dude, whatever. I'm just gonna fight him normally. Dude. Okay. Let's just ignore that happened. It wasn't letting me do the thing where I, like, merge my arrow with, like, the fire fruit. I don't know why. It just wasn't popping up. I gotta sneak up on him so I can stun him at the very start of the battle. There we go. I was pressing the wrong button. I'm so stupid. Bro. Come on. Bro. Are you kidding me? I'm so stupid. Whatever. Oh my god. I'm just gonna fight him with melee or something. Oh my gosh. I hate Wizrobes. They're so annoying. Oh my gosh. Get out of my way, Choo-Choo. Oh my gosh. I swear this Choo-Choo just broke my shield. There's no way. Oh crap. Bro, I'm almost out of arrows. Oh. Bro. This is probably pathetic. Like, bro, I was better when I was in 6th grade, like in my old videos. Like, a billion times better. There we go. On my last arrow. I swear, if I encounter one more Wizrobe trying to get to this tower... Finally! What was that? Like 3 Wizrobes? Just trying to get to one tower. Oh my gosh. Also, I hate this Sludge. Yo, what? Okay, I'm not gonna talk to him until I get this tower. No more. Oh, you're joking. Oh my gosh, you've gotta be kidding me. I really have... No. Are you kidding me? He needs water. Wait. Can I just, like... Is there a water thing? Like... Oh. Okay, that works. Please give me arrows. That's my only arrow. So, like, I can't do anything if I don't have an arrow. Oh, no. Please tell me you have arrows. No, this guy better have arrows. Bro, if this guy doesn't have arrows and I can't get to the tower, I'm gonna be so annoyed. Wait, Can I do this? Does ice count? Dude, I'm out of arrows. This guy just stole my last arrow. I hate you. I have an idea. I'm gonna fuse this spear with water to see if it works. Please work. Okay, thank you. Finally. I swear the amount of distractions just to get to that one tower was crazy. Bro, the new tower cutscene is sick. It's so sick. Bro, what is that ball? That huge ball. Like, don't take that out of context. Like, actually, what is that thing? What the heck? Oh yeah, also the new Sheikah Slate thing. Whoa, that map was huge, that portion of the map. The new Sheikah Slate, it's called like the Pour-It Pad, and it's literally just a Nintendo Switch instead of a phone. Like, it's kind of funny. Bro, that looks like a whole Death Star. I gotta land on this ball. What? Bro. Okay, what? How do I get in here? Okay, this is kind of sick. Yo, what? Okay, that's so sick. Are there any chests up here I could get? Oh, no, but it's one of these things. You can, like, put a ton of, like Zonai stuff into here, and it, like, creates stuff. Wait, no, you put, like, the charges, I think. Wait, I forgot. What do you put in there? Yeah, like these things. You hold them, and then like look, it's like a vending machine. It's so cool. Look at all these cool things. You can like create so much with this. Like there's a flame emitter and rocket. Bro, you could literally make like an airplane with this, like laser beam. You could make, yeah, like I love this new Zonai technology stuff. Wait, can I like grab this thing? Okay, that's cool. Anyways, I'm gonna check out this shrine real quick. So is this, the whole purpose is this ball thing just like holding a shrine? Oh wait, well, this is useful because now I can just teleport to the shrine up here whenever I want to make stuff with like my charges. Wait, I see an airplane in the distance. Do I have to make a plane or something? Wait. I'm just gonna like... Wait. Okay, so... Okay, that's so cool. So I think I gotta combine these things. There's also these things, which I think make it so you can drive the plane. Like... Oh, dang it. Oops. But nah, yeah, I think I gotta grab myself one of these. Wait for it. Okay. There we go. Wait. I can't take it with me. Wait, maybe I have to stop the plane. Let's see if that works. Wait, I think I gotta wait for it to get lower. Can I grab it? No, wait. Okay, I'm confused now. I gotta get over there somehow. And to do that, I think I have to make a plane. I'm gonna try to go back there and get on, like, the wing things over there. And then maybe, like, make the plane fall or something. I don't know. I just gotta, like, figure out what to do. Also, I don't know why I haven't gotten more stamina or hearts. I literally have, like, 8 spirit orb things. So I could get myself either 2 hearts, 2 stamina, or 1 or the other. Oh, I could literally, this whole time I could have literally just like grabbed this thing. Oh, wait. Wait a second. Can I just put my own stuff on here? Yeah. Oh, wait, no, I can't. I've got to use the shrine's resources. Got it. Wait, what happens if I combine 2 of them? Is it like double the... Oh, that's bad. That's bad. I'm just gonna like... I don't know. I'm just gonna see what happens. I'm just curious. But that only goes so far. Wait. I gotta rewind that. That was the key. I actually did what I was supposed to do. I think. I've gotta rewind that. If I had a fan onto that, then like... I think that would be good enough. Well, I don't know how I'd do that, but I think that went far enough. I may have just accidentally figured it out. I'm not sure. I gotta hurry though. Wait, it just like respawned both of them. Okay. Come on, come on. I don't want to put it too far, so I'll like miss the plane. Like that. Yeah, that's exactly what I didn't want. I'm gonna cut the video to when I find out what the heck I'm supposed to do, so it's not so boring. So, it's been a few minutes and I think I formulated an idea here, like a cart and then like, you know, like a fan on this wing to like make a plane to go over the edge. Now I'm gonna fan it and see if like anything happens. I think I might need to put it closer to the edge. Wait. Because I don't think it's possible to like get it back up there, which would be ideal, but like, but first I want that fan to stop because I don't want the plane to go without me. Oh, great. Wait, first I want to see what happens. So, it went forward, but like, it's just going down. So it would work if I somehow got it up there. I don't know how I'd do that. Like, is there any way I could get the plane to a higher altitude? Maybe I could have pushed it off from me. That's a fail. Well, I'm gonna cut again because I'm absolutely clueless. What's up, guys? I'm back in with a new idea this time. Basically, I sent one plane over there and then put a fan on it and then used the reverse ability on it to get it up here. And then I sent another plane down there to get a cart on it and then use the reverse ability on it. So then both of these were up here. And now I have both of this stuff up here at max altitude, which hopefully should get me enough height to get all the way to the end of the shrine. Let's hope so. Okay, so now I just gotta get out my fan thing and then a little bit more. Okay, please. No. What do I do? Oh my gosh. I'm seriously clueless at this point. I guess we're cutting again. Oh, hey guys, like, I'm back. It's like, the day after the next day, and I finally figured out what to do. But I wasn't recording when I made it, but I'll just show you guys what it is that actually worked to get me over. Basically, I just made like a plane, and I had to like send those other two planes to get these parts, so then I could just put them onto this plane, so So I just put the little cart here, and then the fan facing that way, and then I just fanned it, and bam, you got a plane. It works great, and the shrine is finally done. It took me a while to figure that one out, can't even lie. And now I have 9 of these light things, so I could either get 2 heart pieces or 2 staminas, or one and the other. So thank you all for watching, and I'll probably make some more videos soon, since like it's summer, and yeah, decent progress.